Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. I'm Ningling, you can call me Miss Long as well. And today I'm going to teach you how to dye the Easter eggs.
Here's the material I prepared for today. I got the boiled eggs and some water, some cups, the food colors, vinegar, crayon, and paper tape, scissor, glue, tin foil, cotton rope, and flowers and leaves. And this is how will it look like after. Now let's get started. I add about 150 cc of water to each cup. I added a 20 drop of blue color in this cup. And I like purple color, so for the second cup, I will mix blue color and red color together. If you like light purple, you probably only need 5 to 6 drops from each color. And here I add too much, so the color turns really dark. For the rest of the 2 cups, one I will mix red color and yellow color become orange, and the last one I will only add green color in it. Here I add a teaspoon of vinegar to each cup. For the first egg, I crumble the tin foil and rub the egg, and then gently put it into a cup. The second egg, I use the paper tape. You can cut it into the shape you like, or if you have some other shape of the sticker, you can also use the sticker to put it on. And the rest of the place, I use the crayon to decorate it. The third egg, I drew a rabbit's head with crayons. You don't need to worry about the color of the crayon, because after dye the color, we will wipe it out. And I drew some heart shapes on the other side. I smash the eggshell. This way the color will run into the egg along with the cracks. I really like the pattern from the plants, so I prepared some flowers and leaves for the egg. We can put some glue on the flowers and leaves to make sure the shape will looking good after. If you have stockings at home, you can also use stocking to hold the flowers and leaves with the egg. I used tin foil here And the same, we have to crumble it first, and then we have some little space for the water, for the color go through it, then we will have color on it. Now let's see what it becomes like inside. I like the blue color here. It's really beautiful. Now for the crayon here, I will put some lotion on it and then use the paper towel to clean it up. See, this is really cute. Now let's see the flower one. So first we dry the water from outside and then we open it. You can see the shape of the flower and the leaf there. It's really beautiful. It's so bright and beautiful, right? And I want to try how if I put it in other color for a few seconds. So let's see. There's a little bit purple on it already. Just a few seconds. It's so pretty. And you can also try put some oil inside. The color, because of the oil, the color turns really amazing too. So I try to mix different layer and the color for the eggs. And this one is only red color, but I really like, so it's like beautiful pink with the rubs. This is the eggs I dyed this time. Dyeing eggs is really fun. You can create your own color, and many different materials can also be used to make patterns.
I hope you enjoyed the video today. We will have another Easter video after. So if you like the video, don't forget subscribe and share it to your friend. It's really easy and fun, right? And thank you again for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye bye!